couldn't do nothing.
Momma, you're bad.
He couldn't do nothing. Me a brave this one. Everybody around.
This is our little story and a true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual ring. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I saw a meme today that said 70% of women reading this have that word bun. I'm 70%. It's me. Good morning to you. And how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Baby Oz. Hi, baby Oz. No smile? No smile? Okay, fine. But you're so cute. Look at that face. Look at that fish.
My coloring book.
Atlas, I miss you. Jack's gonna lift you up. Go on now. Hands around. Whoa! Is he getting heavy, Jax?
Because I'm growing.
Yeah, feet down, feet down.
I can't.
Let me see how tall you are now, Atlas.
Wait.
Catching up your brother, you know.
Measure.
Alright, we soon measure. That's Roxy laughing at Meet the Mitchells in between our breaks. So this is us in between our little break. By the way, you guys like my top today? Hello.
It's pretty.
It's nice though.
2 snaps in a circle.
Around the world and 2 steps up. So after I leave here today, I'm gonna actually get my hair done. Yeah, girl, you just gonna have to see.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing. Leon just told me to come in.
How you doing?
I got to do my nails and stuff.
That's nice.
Well, I don't think I'm doing that
Take
today.
time for yourself.
Anyway, in other news,
Yeah.
Neil and Sonia have a YouTube page too.
Okay.
Yeah, go check it out.
Go check it out. It's called Sonia and Neil.
Yeah.
And I'm just glad to hear that. I wonder if I just cut the whole of my head off.
Maybe you did.
Who knows? Anyway.
Now, when I go out with up here, man?
She a bad.
Come. This is the big thing you ever seen, Daddy. Come. Come on.
You get him?
Yeah, the big come. See them saying?
Blow.
Bravest one in us.
No, more.
Wiggling.
Dead in there.
A big spring cleaning are going up here. Watch all him tail.
Yeah, man.
I will never see lizards so big.
Chop off.
MoMo does that.
Me a bravest one in here.
So, you sure say that done?
Of course, see there.
No, touch him.
See there.
Watch out. Stop now, Momo. Stop now. Almost dead. You kill him 3 times.
He dead now.
Him big like for a rat.
See him there.
Yeah.
But him couldn't
No,
do
Momo,
nothing.
you're bad.
He couldn't do nothing. Me a bravest one. Everybody around.
So I'm heading down to do my hair. So excited because I haven't done my hair in so long. And I'm excited. I'm actually doing a little color today and I'm a little bit late. So let's go. Hey girl, hey. Are those for me?
Yes.
Are you going to put me in the oven?
Yes, I am. You're going to be cooked.
Fully cooked. I'm so excited. I think I'm more excited than you.
You got the dumpling?
Gloria! I'm actually going outside for a little because I know I look crazy, but why not? I'm just gonna go have a coffee while I process.
I ain't got no shame, y'all. I let it all hang out. I ain't got no shame. People are laughing at me already. Boy.
So Tami,
Why are you laughing?
because you have on a kente cloth.
What do you call it?
A kente cloth.
I got it name?
Yeah.
I thought it was a dashiki. Is this not a dashiki? What is it? Alright.
Let my wedding ring out.
I just feel like, yeah. It's so nice because I just wanted to lighten it a little bit because it was so dark, but it's not like I want to be blonde. So it's just nice to do like a perfect little picker-upper. Little balayage. How you doing? That's what they call it, a balayage. Love it. Feel like a new girl. Wait till Wayne see me. Eh?
Hi, Mommy.
What do you think?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Boozy.
Beautiful. As usual.
Let me get it in the sun. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm a muggler. I'm a muggler. Ooh, I'm a muggler. Oops. Not a muggler at all. Jesus, I hope nobody never see. Now you're on the channel.
Woo!
Hi. Oh no, people are cussing us. Bye. We were having a nice clean conversation. Are you good with me putting it on the channel? Look out for yourselves tomorrow. Wayne, you approve of the hair?
Yeah, I love it.
It's nice, right?
Blow by blow, fix you up, you know.
Yeah.
Set half a shot.
Lily always sorts me out, man, and I think it might be my journey back to blonde.
Blonde hair go?
Put on your seatbelt, babe.
Shucks.
You know when I'm blonde. Woo, I don't know, brunettes have fun too, boy. I'm just saying. You
But
can...
I not tell you like something about blonde. Do something to the magic one.
Leah looked at me and she goes, "Ooh, girl, you got on your kente cloth."
Yeah.
Is that what it's called?
I don't know.
I was like, it's called a dashiki. She goes, nah, girl, not where I come from. We call it a kente cloth.
Okay.
I was like, all right.
African print, man.
Yeah. I got a lot of love in my dashiki today. Everybody loved it. They were like, oh, you look so nice. I was like, actually, my mother-in-law gave this to me.
Yeah, type.
I love it. It's very pretty.
It's bossy.
Yeah, I felt like being bossy today, so it worked out.
The colors, pop.
Yeah, right, nice.
Yeah, nice.
What are we doing now? Oh, we got some pak choy to pick. Today's a picking day. Today is the day we pick the pak choy.
Yo, one more cook. I wonder if we can cook like a pak choy with it. Freshly pick.
I guess we could.
Freshly cook.
All right, from farm to table.
Yeah,
Why
man.
not? All right, let's do this. So, what did you do today?
Me, I went to get I did the phone storage thing.
Phone store. Oh, you figured it out?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
I went to go
Excuse
do
me.
that.
Excuse me, Atlas.
Daddy, move your phone.
You going to sit in Daddy's lap?
Yeah.
So you did the phone storage thing.
Yeah. And then I did some dubs too.
Okay, good.
Yeah. What else? Just run a couple errands.
Okay, nice. Easy day.
Yeah.
Did you miss me?
I did.
Oh.
Top man, tell
Virgin, stop scandalize me, man.
them man, you know, you never can tell who is in the studio, and that's why they call him tell, you know. Never can tell who the man I work with. The man I voice dub with the greats. All the greats. young legend or old legend. And them man build them studio with them beer and you know, maybe the help of one more man.
Yeah, only one more, man.
Yeah.
Oh, see. Okay, so that I forgot to sort out. I think I need to tighten more. Alright.
Alright, so watch I know. You see this way, you see now, this is what you call a dub cutting machine. Right? So this cut to plate. So this wax where you see right here, so when it just come, it don't have the grooves in it that you can see. See the grooves them? The grooves now is the sound. However, it imprint the sound into the plate so it play like a record, like a LP. Right? So this is the original thing when me learn how for DJ dub pan. So when I sing in the dub, it's cutting straight to plate, so I can't make no mistake. It's not like now where we can punch and mistake and come back and take back the song. Right? So I saw me learn it at King Jammy's, Arrows. What the next one did name? Sapphire Studio, them place there. Record Factory. But me I talk about where me go.
Oh, okay.
So you have Arrows, Jammy's, Sapphire. So at them era there in the music me I come from straight to plate, and I know like now where I just Pro Tools and we record and you email out the track and a man just play it on him laptop. Right? Them time your record still a playing a dance and thing. Original. Times well hard in the world today, but if you don't work, then you won't get paid. DJ Shintaro, I my play. Overcome, overcome. This is the weed that we call purple skunk, and I got it in bulk. Yes, I got it.
Hi. Kiss. Kiss. I got it. Thank you.
The reason why she's so excited is because he always kiss me, but then him kind of go around.
Oh, let's see if he does it again. Kiss.
No, don't overdo it, mom. Don't.
Kiss.
You're on camera, boo.
Kiss.
Babe, don't make him
Don't
flap
flap
you
me.
live.
Kiss.
Oh no. Ooh. See the kiss come It kind of looked like a no, right?
I thought it was a no. Yeah. I think it was a no, then he changed his mind.
Like
Mommy.
Thank you.
Mommy, you forgot to
Love you.
put the cork on my finger. Mommy, I forgot to put.
Wow. Yeah! You missed that one!
what? I'm in love with mommy today, man.
He liked my hair. He likes my hair.
Like that, you know.
Stop spinning that, Atlas. You're taking attention away from mom.
Hey, stop.
Oh! Kiss! You missed that one again? You got it?
I got it.
Atlas, please stop that.
Jinx.
Love you. Wayne, he has never kissed me this much. I'm saying, yo, mommy, look.
More kiss. So what kind of kiss them are you? Watch out.
Yeah.
Your daddy kiss now. Good boy, Chuku.
A lot of spit bridges.
At the first is in our history we get so much kisses.
Love him.
Kisses for the Mr. and the Mrs. What you cook for dinner?
You cook dinner? Hello.
Stew beef. So what you say?
Nice.
How we plan for reap the little pak chow, you know? You can go with it?
Let's pull it up out of the dirt.
Just pull it up, sir?
Out of the dirt.
Okay. Shall we go do that?
Where I consider?
Nothing.
No, man. She said too much people say she enough. So she hold her arm.
Me hold me
She hold her car.
She hold her tongue.
Hold me collar.
Marina said, them never call me enough. And you call yourself nothing, but them call you enough. You realize.
Yes.
I hear
Me have something, I have a voice note for play for you. You see, like you like how you teach me how to cook and I teach me how to mop floor, teach me how to chop coconut, chop tree. I feel like more and teach you how to do something now.
What?
Like what?
Atlas, please be quiet.
MoMo is gonna get driving lessons. So we're ready now to see if Momo can take on the steering wheel. People, how that sound? Give me comment section. Talk to me now. Mr. Wayne, I teach Momo how to drive.
You better teach Alex too while you're at it.
Yeah,
By
Alex,
the
same
way,
time.
Momo used to get driving lessons, don't it, Momo? You didn't start learning.
She did start learning, but she done with it a long time. She don't remember head from tail in a car right now.
And even the real
I doubt Momo can spin the key in the ignition.
And
good.
even us.
Listen, so look out for it. Alex and Momo driving classes coming to a store near you.
Would you believe that somebody sent me a voice note? Say, me and you flowing. We need to ease our time. We need to low him. When he might learn for doing things, we need to just low him.
Team win.
And we are jeering too much.
But him have to get jeer.
Ah.
The boots up himself. And learn too.
So
What
what
do
we give them?
them?
We give them a big kiss teeth.
Me, I want to
We can't kiss the teeth. Kiss
No.
your teeth.
People,
him learn.
people, hold on, don't watch me and Momo here. We have the
our
relationship there.
different.
Yeah? And people are tell me, say, yo, take time away, dude, Momo. Momo understand me and I
It's
understand
true.
her.
People say that too. Them say,
Okay? So when you see we are doing thing and a banter back and forth, we have understanding people. Even though she hear me too much.
All right. So there are two sets. There's one that's definitely more ready to go than the other. So we're gonna reap those. And I believe you just Mo, do we have to wet the earth first or anything, or we just pull it out? We don't, right? Okay, cool. All right, so let's go for it. Hold on, Atlas. No. So look, boys, I want you to come and see this. Right? Come, Atlas. So we're going to go from underneath like this. And we're just gonna pull in. That's all we do?
Yep. Yep.
Oh my God, this is crazy.
Pak chow.
Wow, we should probably have a little thing, a little basket to put them in.
I know.
Atlas, do you want to try and pull one out?
Yeah.
Come here. Yeah, you soon get a turn. Ready? No, not so hard, Boozy.
No,
Come, ready? We'll take our time and gently rock it out. Beautiful. Knock it off. Ah, okay. Put it right there.
Nice bam bam.
Careful. Jax, your turn.
Okay.
You want to go from under here and just rock it out. Go for it.
Okay. So like here.
Yeah.
As low as you can get.
Nice. Keep pulling, Bubba.
As low as you can get.
Nice. Pull, pull, pull.
It's getting close.
Yeah, I know. It's like pulling out a tooth.
You know you're
You
an
got it,
expert.
keep
huh?
going.
Not kind of. It's not really like pulling out a tooth. It would be way easier for
Put
me.
it right here. Let me
I'll
get this
try
one.
now. I'll try
Hold on,
now.
let me get this one.
Am I gonna try?
So people, we're reaping what we sow.
Can I
You
try?
understand?
I
Picking what we grow, you know?
Your turn.
I think we'll leave these.
I'm
These are
trying
dry.
now.
Why the whole of the plant same time? They're
No,
not
these aren't as ready.
good. Okay, alright.
No, this one has to stay, Baba. But what we can do is take these in the kitchen, wash them off, and we can eat them.
Wow.
Yummy. I want.
Just better than a bouquet of flowers.
Same way so you can eat?
Yes, you can.
Wow. So when you cook it, you really just drop it in a pot for a couple seconds and get it bubbling.
Yeah, when you cook it.
It's a different
No, I don't think so. It's just, boy, I don't even know, Maureen. I don't know if there had more.
I don't think this is coming bigger.
You think that's it?
Drop this one.
Okay. Nice, Wayne.
Yo, Jano, I feel a type of way, yo. I'm really proud of the first thing I'm really plant and nurture from from beginning right to end. So yeah man, it's a good look, it's a good feeling. I tell you say, planting up the soil, tilling the soil, growing your own crops and them thing there. It's a thing where that's good for your soul and your spirit, man, trust me.
Atlas, this can go in the compost.
Well, okay. I'm gonna put it in.
I'm at the compost, boss.
Please, compost clean.
Wicked. Let me see
Nice,
the roots
eh?
of them.
Well, I took off the roots.
Yeah, no, not that. I mean the bottom part.
Oh, yeah.
What's them favor the real pak choy.
And I believe this was baby pak choy that I got, which is
Right.
why it was this size.
Yeah.
Actually, the thing did say baby pak choy.
Let me get him bike where fly down the hill.
Oh yeah.
I'll come with you.
You must be careful, not me.
I will. I will be careful. Because I have big feet now.
You have big feet now?
See, I told you I can walk down. Told you. Let's go get my
Question
bag.
is, why did let go the bicycle down here? Or the bike or whatever it want. How am I gonna get this now? Alright. A maca bush them here?
Oh my god. Good.
I say that.
Good. Good,
Go on back
Daddy.
up. Go on back up.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now I can play with it. Now that I have saved it, I can play with it
I think we can make some white soup tomorrow and put it in there.
That
How's
would
it?
be wicked.
Just washing it out. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Made me feel proud, babe.
Trust me.
And then if we wanted them to perk up even more, you wash them in really cold water. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So, Auntie Sonia was so happy that we shared about Sonia's, you know, just because it's somewhere that we go all the time, that she said to us that she had a gift for the two of us. And today we found out what the gift was. We've been trying to do it for a couple of days and we didn't make it down there, and today they brought them. And look, it's a happy belated Mother's Day. It was, the crown fell a little, and here is Wins. Happy belated Father's Day. Isn't that so sweet? Thanks, Auntie Sonia. We're gonna cut it today for sure. 100%. Oh, all right then.
My knuckle got excited.
Atlas, no. No, come on. Come on. Was that necessary, Atlas? One slice of cake and then it end up all over your face? Huh? Atlas, how your face looks up?
Got all wrong.
All wrong?
Yeah.
Listen to me, man. Listen to picnics.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching that video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
And don't forget to share this video with somebody who you think might enjoy it.
Share it, tell a friend, WhatsApp it, Instagram it, yo, share it like food.
If you want to find out more about what each of us are doing, don't forget you can click the links in the description box. Thank you so much. #MTM
MTM family.